Hey there, eco warriors. Let's kick things off with a little inspiration. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it. Psalm 24:1. And a positive thought. Sustainability is a journey, not a destination. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own reusable wax food wraps for a greener kitchen. These wraps are cloths coated with natural waxes like beeswax or plant-based alternatives. They're a fantastic, eco-friendly solution to replace plastic wrap. Why should you consider wax wraps? Well, they're environmentally friendly, reduce plastic waste, and are cost-effective since you can reuse them over and over. Plus, they're versatile and breathable, helping your food stay fresh longer. Here's what you'll need: 100% cotton fabric, beeswax or vegan wax, tree resin, light oil, an oven, a baking sheet, parchment paper, and a natural bristle brush. First, cut your fabric to the sizes you need and wash it thoroughly. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees past 93 C. Combine grated beeswax, tree resin, and oil in a 3:1:1 ratio and melt them on a parchment-lined baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes. Brush the melted mixture onto one side of the fabric and bake it again for about 5 minutes. Let it cool and check the flexibility. If it's too stiff, just reheat and add more wax. Store your wraps in a cool, dry place. When you need to use them, warm them in your hands to soften the wax. For cleaning, use cool, soapy water. If the stickiness fades, just reapply some wax. With proper care, your wraps can last from 6 months to 2 years. Remember, traditional wax wraps aren't compostable, but plant-based ones are. So, go ahead and give it a try. Making your own reusable wax wraps is a fun and rewarding way to make your kitchen greener. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.